Hey everybody, and welcome back to Crafty Corner Pro Max. We're so excited to have you here with us today. Today we're tackling common design mistakes that can turn your dream home into a design disaster. From cluttered spaces to mismatched furniture, these errors can make your home feel less inviting. Whether you're refreshing your living room or renovating your kitchen, there are pitfalls that can trip up even seasoned DIYers. We'll show you how to avoid these common mistakes and make your space look cohesive and stylish. So grab your notepad, get comfy, and let's dive right into creating a home you absolutely love. We'll cover everything from color schemes to furniture placement, ensuring your home is both functional and beautiful. Your planning is everything. It's the foundation of any successful project, whether you're redesigning a room or renovating an entire house. It's like starting a road trip without a map. You wouldn't want to get lost halfway, right? The same goes for your home projects. Before picking up a paintbrush or ordering that sofa, dream big and create a vision board with all your inspiration. Measure your space accurately, set a realistic budget, and make sure you have all the materials you need and stick to it. This will help you avoid unexpected costs and keep your project on track. Staying organized will save you from renovation regrets. Keep all your plans, receipts, and samples in one place so you can easily refer back to them. Trust me, your future self will thank you. Let's talk about lighting because it can make or break a space. Maximize natural light with sheer curtains or blinds and layer your lighting with overhead fixtures, table lamps, and floor lamps. The right lighting can transform a room from drab to fab in an instant. Surround yourself with things you love, but remember, less is often more. Think about how you use the space and choose furniture accordingly. Open space is just as important as the furniture itself. Create conversation areas, define walkways, and experiment with different layouts until it feels just right. Comfort is king and queen. Your home should be a reflection of you, a place where you can relax. Before buying trendy pieces, think about what brings you joy and comfort. Don't sacrifice comfort for style. Choose practical, comfortable furniture. A home should be both stylish and livable. Clutter can creep in fast, so having good storage solutions is key. Storage doesn't have to be boring. Think vintage baskets, repurposed crates, and open shelving. Use vertical spaces with tall bookshelves to draw the eye upward. Declutter and organize regularly. A clutter-free home is a happy home. Your home should have a natural flow guiding you from one space to the next. This flow is essential for creating a harmonious living environment where each room feels connected yet distinct. Think about how you and your family move through your home and create clear pathways. Furniture placement is crucial. Arrange your furniture in a way that encourages movement and interaction, making sure that no area feels cramped or isolated. Ensure there's enough space to move around comfortably. This not only enhances the aesthetic appeal but also improves the functionality of your home. A well-thought-out layout can make even a small space feel open and inviting. Create zones within larger spaces to define how a space is used. For example, designate areas for relaxation, dining, and work. This helps in organizing your activities and makes your home more versatile and adaptable to your needs. When choosing a color palette, it's all about balance. Stick to a 60-30-10 ratio for your dominant, secondary, and accent colors. Test your paint colors and observe them in different lights throughout the day. This will save you from those "what did I do" moments later on. Scale and proportion are crucial for balance and harmony in a space. Choose furniture that's appropriately sized for the room. Mix and match different heights to add visual interest. Use rugs to define areas and create a sense of grounding. Creating a home you love takes time. Resist the urge to rush the process. Break the process down into manageable phases and prioritize your projects. Wait for those perfect pieces you've been eyeing. Enjoy the journey and don't be afraid to change things up along the way. Trends come and go, but your personal style is timeless. Let your unique personality shine through instead of blindly following the latest fads. Mix and match different styles and influences to create a space that reflects who you are. It's all about creating a space that tells your story. Well, friends, there you have it, my top 10 design mistakes to avoid. Take your time, enjoy the process, and trust your gut. If it feels right, it probably is. Thanks for hanging out with me today, and don't forget to subscribe and share this video. Until next time, happy decorating.